Friends, welcome back to YouTube channel B Studies at Karimnagar. In previous video we discussed structure for simple past tense. In this video we discuss structure for past continuous tense. What is structure for past continuous? Subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing or V4 plus object. So where we take was, where we take were means when the subject is in first person singular I and third person singular he, she, it, noun is in singular, we have to take the verb was. Otherwise means first person plural or second person or third person plural or other nouns we have to take were. Now see the example. I was writing an exam at this time yesterday. In this sentence, at this time yesterday indicates the past continuous tense, means one action was going on at this time yesterday. What was the action going on? I was writing an exam. I is the subject. Now the subject is in first person singular. So we have to add it was here. Was, I was. Then after V1 plus ing. What is the V1 form? Write plus ing, writing. Okay. Then after what is an object here? Object is an exam. Now grammatically correct sentence what? I was writing an exam at this time yesterday. Ee time ki nenu exam rastu untini. An action was going on at this time yesterday. Now second example, she was reading a story. In this sentence, she is the subject. The subject is in third person singular. So we have to add was here. So we added was. Then after V1 plus ing. What is the V1? Read plus ing, reading. Then after a story is an object. Now grammatically complete sentence is she was reading a story at 2 o'clock last Sunday. Means పోయిన సండే 2 o'clock కి నేను ఒక స్టోరీ చదువుతూ ఉంటిని. Then after they were playing cricket at the moment day before yesterday. Here day before yesterday is the clue for identifying the given sentence is in past continuous, means day before yesterday at the moment day before yesterday an action was going on. What was the action going on? They were playing cricket. They is the subject. So the subject is in third person plural. So we have added were. Then after V1 plus ing. What is the V1 form? Play plus ing, playing. Then after object. What is the object here? Cricket. They were playing cricket at the moment day before yesterday. అంటే మొన్న ఈ టైంలో నేను చేస్తుంటిని, వారు చేస్తుంటారు, వారు క్రికెట్ ఆడుతుంటారు. An action was going on at some time in the past. This is the past continuous tense. Remaining tenses we discuss in next video. Till then, bye.